Have you tried Tex-Mex Buttery Rice? You'll be in for a big surprise. Stay tuned, we'll be right back with a full recipe. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making a buttery rice that's full of color. It's perfect for any occasion. For more delicious recipes, visit us at texmexathome.com. Now let's get started. This recipe makes enough for 4 people. Our ingredients for today are 1 cup of rice, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 red bell pepper diced, 3 green onions or scallions chopped, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and 2 cups of water. First, set the heat to medium and melt the butter in a pan. Add your diced bell pepper and green onions. Let them saute for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're soft and fragrant. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, remember to like and subscribe so we can keep cooking together. Add the rice directly into the pan. Stir it well so every grain is coated in buttery veggies. This step helps the rice absorb flavor and cook evenly. Add your water and salt to the rice and bring it to a gentle simmer. Then cover the pan. Lower the heat to medium-low and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Once the rice is done, turn off the heat and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. We fluff the rice and that's it. And there you have it, buttery Tex-Mex rice. This one is perfect with chicken, beef, or just about anything. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at Home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now let's give it a try. Perfect. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.